guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another scent talk. And today, I will be sharing yung mga fresh gourmand that I have in my collection. First of all, pasensya na kayo kung ganito yung boses ko. May sipon ako pero good thing. Nakakaamoy pa naman ako. Anyway, nakabasa ako ng isang comment sa mga videos ko na nagtatanong kung pwede daw ba ako mag-share or gumawa ng videos about sa mga scent na ka-family ni Boardwalk Taffy. Boardwalk Taffy, I can categorize that as a fresh gourmand. So, it's a fresh scent that is suitable for summer or for humid or hot weather, kagaya na meron tayo sa Pilipinas, but then it has a touch of gourmand. So if ever that you are a sweet or gourmand or foodie lover, magugustuhan nyo pa rin siya. So lahat na share ko sa inyo, again, ka-family ni Boardwalk Taffy, isa na ron yung nakita nyo na, which is the Peach Prosecco Macaroon. So it has Peach Prosecco, vanilla cream, and macaroon cookie. Sabi dito, whisk yourself away to the Parisian cafe and enjoy the delicate treats and bubbly drinks. So this one is from the parang brunch collection na nirelease. So, isang collection siya. Ito lang kinuha ko in full size. But I feel like na-review ko naman sila yung ibang kasama nito. Ayan, sinisipon na ako. So, ayan, si Peach Prosecco Macaroon. Bakit ko nasabi that this one is a fresh gourmand? So, this is gourmand because it has a touch of slight bakery macaroon cookie on the dry down. Yes, sa dry down mo lang siya makukuha. Slightly powdery din on the dry down. But on the initial spray, makukuha mo dito is the freshness and juicy scent of peach and prosecco. It has a vibe of some parang drink, but still it's fruity and punchy because of the peach. So if ever na mainit, magagamit nyo to, this can pass as your daily scent, like if you're going out for school or for errands, or iba pang activity na ginagawa nyo, maybe for dates, for sport, pwede to. I just don't feel like papasa siya as a parang nighttime scent, like a formal party wear. Kasi nga, it's foodie. At the same time, it's sweet and punchy. So, dun sa mga normal or casual days lang, I feel like papasa si Peach Prosecco Macaroon. Longevity of this one is really, really good. It will last you around 6 hours. And as a mist, sobrang standout niya sa collection ko. This is also a favorite of mine. As you can see, medyo marami na akong bawa sa kanya. Favorite ko to if nasa bahay lang ako, like kapapaligo ko lang. Just want a spray of freshness, like a pinch of fruity scent and also a touch of gourmand. Ito yung perfect scent if ganun yung hinahanap nyo. So again, Peach Prosecco Macaroon, this one is nice. Okay, so another one is from the Funfair collection of Bath & Body Works. So this is bubblegum pop. So sabi dito, sweet treats and carnival games. It's a carefree day at the fair. It has gumballs, sugar, candied fruits, and citrus burst. So this one is, I feel like is the freshest, ayan, among the scents that I will be showing or reviewing tonight or today. Ayan, so si Bubblegum Pop, initially, it has a fruity, slightly citrusy scent. Kasi sabi daw dito, it has citrus burst. Do not judge the citrus notes. Hindi siya yung maasim na kapag mainit is parang aasim or magiging off on your body. Si citrus, nagbibigay lang siya ng parang lift dun sa scent. Ayan. So, it's very fruity. And on the dry down, it's straight up bubblegum scent. So, if you want the smell of the parang fruity bubblegum, like yung mga bilog na binibili natin in different colors, this bubblegum pop is nice. This one is really sweet. So, if you are a high schooler or even an elementary student, but if kagaya ko, na hindi na gano'n yung age nyo, but still you want parang a young, fresh, carefree, this bubblegum pop will pass. So, mabango siya. Longevity, around 3 to 4 hours. Hindi siya masyado nagtatagal. It's really fresh. So, on my body, yung mga fresh scent, hindi sila ganun nagtatagal. But then, if you just want parang a happy scent, so this bubblegum pop will pass. So, if binibili nyo, pamangkin nyo, or anak nyo, or friends nyo, na mga bata, or mga teenager, feeling ko ito yung scent na pwede nyo mapili for them because this is really, really young. So, kapag gamit nyo siya, parang ang bata-bata niya sa feeling. Okay, so next one is a new scent in my collection. So, this is Iced Lemon Pound Cake. So, wala pa ako na in-depth review sa kanya. So, this will be my first ever review of this scent. Nito lang siya in-launch this year lang. So, it has sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake. Like a classic pound cake, delicately blended with fresh ingredients, it's the perfect sweet treat. Kung natatandaan nyo or kung member kayo ng mga groups, last December, I posted a question kung ano yung scent na exactly kaamoy nung Rubisco na color hindi orange, yellow, parang ganon. Yung cream sandwich na Rubisco. And may mga ilan silang sinuggest, but then sabi nila wala daw siyang straight up. But luckily guys, this one, iced lemon pound cake, smells like that Rubisco na cream. If you are a fan of that, ako sa lahat ng Rubisco, that's my ultimate favorite. Sobrang bango niya. It's creamy but slightly lemony. So yung scent nito, initially, it has a fruity lemon zest, like a pinch of parang lift ni lemon, but wala siyang parang asim. Pero hindi siya maasim at all. Ano siya, parang lift lang. Like the zest. Like parang the happy scent of the lemon. Pero hindi siya maasim, promise guys. And on the dry down, sobrang winner niya guys. Kasi ang amoy niya is, amoy siyang parang cakey, buttery. Ganun yung maamoy mo sa kanya on the dry down. It's really nice. Sa longevity, I can't speak sa longevity niya kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry ipanglabas. Naamoy ko lang siya, nagamit ko lang siya sa body ko. Tsaka, inamoy ko lang siya on, like, inamoy ko lang siya. Pero hindi ko pa siya nagamit na ipanglabas. So, hindi ko masabi kung paano siya nag-react on my body. O, diba? Ang gulo ng hair ko. Kung paano siya mag-react on my body. Kung paano siya mag-stay. But then, scent-wise, it's 10 over 10. Sobrang bangon to, guys. Talagang nagustuhan ko yung scent to. Ang bango na, guys. Initially, it's very fresh. But then, meron siyang bready, parang buttery scent on the dry down. Sobrang winner yung scent na to. And medyo onti na lang nagtitinda nito, guys. So, if ever na makahanap kayo, I suggest you get this. Or kung hindi kayo mahilig sa gourmand, but mahilig kayo sa fresh scent, I still suggest you get this. Pero, para safe, edi get a decant first. Pero sayang naman, guys, kasi I feel like it's limited lang. Kasi onti na lang nagtitinda nito. So, iced lemon pound cake, a nice fresh gourmand scent. Okay, second to the last is this beauty here. So this is pink velvet cupcake. It has sparkling red berries, whipped pink marshmallow, and sugared praline. So this one, ayan. So actually, it's my second bottle na. Kasi yung bottle ko na una, konti lang naman yung laman nun kasi binigay lang yun sa akin, yung old packaging nito. So, nabanguhan ako doon. And maganda yung pag-stay or pag-react niya on my body. So, binili ko siya. So, this is pink velvet cupcake. Wait lang, ang kati ng ilong ko. Kasi nga, sinisipon ako. Ayan. So, this one is fresh. It's young. It's super, super girly. Like, the scent of parang a high schooler na sobrang kikay. Like, puro pink yung gamit, ganon. So, this pink velvet cupcake, sobrang babaeng-babae yung amoy nito. And sobrang young din niya. Pero, meron siyang touch of parang gourmand. Like, red velvet cupcake, like a berry or a strawberry cupcake. Ganun yung kanyang dry down. It's also sugary. Nagkaiba niya sa mga scent dito. Karamihan dito, meron siyang touch ng fresh, like juicy scent. While this pink velvet cupcake, yung freshness niya is para siyang sugary. The dry down, it's very sweet, it's sugary. Yan, bagay siya sa damit ko. Kasi nga, bagay siya sa nakasuot or may mga gamit na everything pink. So, kung yung pink ay may scent, yung like, the actual picture or the actual color pink, meron siyang scent. Ito yung nai-imagine ko sa kanya. Very young, ayan, happy, girly scent. So, si pink velvet cupcake, very prominent. Yung berry scent niya, talagang matamis siya, sugary siya. And yung whipped pink marshmallow, yun yung makukuha mo sa dry down. Like, the sugary, powdery, like parang the coat of a pink marshmallow. Ganun yung maaamoy mo. So, si pink velvet cupcake, sobrang nice. Plus, longevity of this, around 6 hours, maamoy mo pa siya. Kasi yung dry down niya, parang, alam mo yung dust ng marshmallow, parang ganun yung amoy niya. So, nagkikling din siya sa body ko. So, favorite ko din to if ever na nasa bahay ako. And once, ginamit ko to sa school. Tapos may event kami sa labas. Talagang in-overspray ko siya kasi nga gusto ko siya maamoy. And then, yung mga parang mga fly, like yung mga lumilipat-lipad, nahabol nila yung scent na to. So this is really, really sweet. And ayun, nahabulin ka nga lang ng yung mga fly. Pero anyway, di alis-alisan mo na lang sila. Sobrang bango na yung Pink Velvet Cupcake, guys. Okay, so lastly, ito yung bases niya. So of course, di naman pwedeng mawala sa Fresh Gourmand si Boardwalk Taffy. Ang nakalagay dito was summer days spent strolling the boardwalk with a smell of saltwater taffy in the air. So I believe ang notes ito are berries and whipped vanilla or whipped cream ba. Ayan, so this one, it's really sweet, it's sugary, it smells like cotton candy. So, alam niyo na yung amoy nito. Sobrang bango dito, guys. Initially, very prominent yung berry note niya, like the mix of para mga strawberries, ganyan. Lahat ng berries na hindi naman siya maasim. Wala siyang asim. And then, on the dry down, it has a hint of gourmand, like the whipped creamy vanilla scent. So, this one, sobrang bango nito, guys. And this lasts long on my body. But if ever na hindi nyo na mahanap si Boardwalk Taffy, I suggest you get Cotton Candy Clouds or ano pa ba may patuwe, whipped berry meringue. Sabi nila may resemblance din daw si Among the Clouds kasi may same notes, but then hindi ko pa inaamoy. Si ano pa yung isa, Pink Berry Cloud. Yes, may resemblance din, but that one is a bit fresher. Ito talaga yung OG si Boardwalk Taffy. So, if may makita pa kayo na feeling nyo naman is justifiable yung price, you get Boardwalk Taffy. So, these 5 scents are all fresh. They are young. They are happy scents. So, sila yung may sasuggest ko sa inyo. If mahilig kayo sa fresh lang, but then may touch of sugary sweetness or parang gourmand or vanilla. So, sila yung mga may sasuggest ko sa inyo. Let me know in the comment section below kung may i-recommend pa kayo sa akin or may na-miss ako. Baka meron pa ako sa collection and hindi ko lang niisama. So, yun. Paki-chat na lang or paki-message na lang sa baba. And, ayun, para makita din ng ibang manonood or magko-comment kung ano pa yung iba yung recommendation kasi baka wala silang mahanap ng iba dito. So, ayun lang. Again, pasensya na kayo if I sound bad. I don't know kung natutuwa ako pag ine-edit ko to. But, ayun, inuubo kasi ako ng sinisipon. So, ayun, feeling ko lang kasi is kaya ko mag-film ngayon kasi nagkapi ako kanina. So, I have extra energy. And, pinipilit ko din na makapag-film since next week is pasok ka na and medyo magiging pagod and busy na naman ako. So, ayun. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find this helpful. If you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this to your friends. Always keep safe. Bye!